Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best foldable scooters is probably one of the most convenient mobility solutions for seniors seeking independence. These scooters offer a blend of portability and ease of use, making them ideal for navigating various environments. Whether it's a trip to the grocery store, a visit to the park, or traveling, these scooters provide a reliable way to stay active and engaged. Number 5. Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter, Electric Wheelchair. This Vive mobility scooter is designed for easy maneuvering on both indoor and outdoor surfaces. It can safely support up to 265 pounds, and the tires are built for durability and safety. The scooter features a wide, padded seat and backrest for comfortable support. The seat swivels for easy exiting, and the armrests adjust and flip up for convenience. This scooter quickly disassembles into 4 pieces for easy portability. The folding tiller and removable seat make it easy to fit into the trunk of most vehicles. The heaviest piece weighs only 29 pounds. The control panel allows you to set the maximum speed, change direction, and turn on the headlight. It also includes a battery life indicator, so you can easily check the status. This scooter is the result of extensive research and design, tailored to meet customer needs. The brand focuses on safety and comfort, and it comes with a 5-year guarantee. What we like? This scooter offers a comfortable, padded seat and adjustable armrests, perfect for those who prioritize comfort during their rides. It disassembles into 4 pieces, making it easy to transport in most vehicles. If you value ease of use and a smooth ride, this is the one for you. What people say? Easy to assemble, disassemble and transport. Gets around great on any surface and turns very well. Sturdy and well balanced, and charging the battery is a breeze. Number 4. SuperHandy Passport Mobility Scooter. This scooter is designed for extended use. It can travel up to 13 miles on a single charge. The dual battery system ensures you have the power you need. It is powered by 2 44.4 V Li-ion batteries. These batteries recharge quickly, in just 1.5 hours. This means less waiting and more riding for you. The scooter weighs only 35 pounds when assembled. It folds down to a compact size, making it perfect for travel. You can easily take it with you wherever you go. It features a padded seat and an adjustable handlebar. The scooter offers a smooth ride and is easy to maneuver. It is designed for your comfort and convenience. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, it supports up to 275 pounds. The scooter is designed for both indoor and outdoor use on flat surfaces. It provides dependable performance. The package comes with 2 batteries and a charger. It also includes solid tires and a front-hanging basket. Everything you need is included to get started. What we like? With its dual battery system, it provides an extended range, ensuring you can go further on a single charge. It's also incredibly lightweight and folds up compactly, making it ideal for travel. If you are a frequent traveler, especially by air, this scooter is designed to make your journeys easier. What people say? Compact, extremely lightweight and very portable. Folds up into a tiny package that fits into the very limited trunk space of my Fiat 500c. Scooters made by this company all run on the same quick recharging batteries. The battery lasts an entire day. But they give you 2 just in case. The seat has a storage spot for the extra battery, so you never have to worry about running out of juice. It's fast, has a great turn radius and has the space and ground clearance to place both your feet firmly on the ground. Due to its size, weight, and portability, were we able to use Uber to the port. My girlfriend was able to ride on her SuperHandy from the Uber drop-off, through check-in and right to our cabin. Due to its size, we were able to park it in our somewhat small cabin right in front of the small sofa. SuperHandy permitted my girlfriend to go anywhere and everywhere on the ship. While in port, she was able to transport all over. We did 10 miles in Boston, she on SuperHandy and me walking. Her battery went red just as we got back to the cruise terminal. Also, 2 of our ports were tendered, both from anchored cruise ship to port. Due to its size and weight, she was able to go and enjoy these ports. Many of those on larger and heavier scooters were not. We flew home, and consequently we again were able to Uber to the airport and home. My girlfriend was able to ride her SuperHandy right down the jetway, where she removed the battery and they then took it and put it on the plane. When we landed, they put it back on the jetway for her and she rode up the jetway and out to the Uber pickup location. It's fast, efficient, affordable, and perfect for shopping the malls or attending events that require a lot of walking. It's just what I needed, helps with mobility. Easy to pack and light enough to carry. I've had it for over a year now and I have not had one issue with it. Number 3. ZiiLIF R3B Lightweight Folding Mobility Scooter. Weighing only 37.5 pounds, this scooter is designed for easy transport and storage. Its compact, foldable design makes it perfect for travel, fitting easily in a car trunk. You can take it anywhere without any hassle. The scooter's detachable lithium-ion battery meets airline regulations, allowing you to bring it on flights and cruises. Each battery weighs about 3.6 pounds and can be easily detached by hand. Enjoy the convenience of a portable mobility scooter, making your flight experience more seamless. The high-capacity battery provides up to 10 miles of range on a single charge. It also has a USB port for your mobile devices. With an adjustable top speed of 4 miles per hour, it provides a smooth and efficient ride. It features a wide, comfortable seat and a headlight for safety. It also includes a cup holder to keep water within reach. Charging ports are available on both the scooter and the battery. This scooter can tackle slopes up to 8 degrees and features 4 sturdy wheels with solid tires. It is also equipped with an intelligent electromagnetic braking system, offering enhanced stability and a smooth ride on various surfaces. Designed for simple operation, it has an intuitive control panel. The handlebar and armrests are easily adjustable. This makes your travel more comfortable and convenient. The scooter comes fully assembled and ready to go. It boasts an impressive minimum steering radius, making it easy to navigate narrow spaces and turn smoothly. What we like. This scooter is ultra-lightweight and folds up compactly, making it perfect for those who need a truly portable option. It's also airline approved, so you can take it with you on flights with ease. If you like to travel and need a mobility solution that won't weigh you down, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The scooter is compact, powerful, comfortable, easy to operate. This scooter is very light. With one button release, the scooter folds down. Then the tiller folds on top of it. That's it. Lifting it into the car trunk is easy. Also, the battery is small, making it easy to remove and put in my carry-on for flights. Number 2. M1 Black, Folding Electric Mobility Scooter for Seniors. This 4-wheeled mobility scooter is designed for easy indoor and outdoor maneuverability. It safely supports up to 265 pounds, with a top speed of 8 km/h and a range of 15 to 25 km per charge. It's the perfect companion for daily life. Equipped with headlights and rear brake lights, this scooter ensures safe driving, even at night. The lights illuminate the road and alert others when braking, enhancing safety for the user. The control panel is conveniently located on the console. It allows you to adjust the speed and change directions. The battery life indicator provides a clear view of the remaining power. This scooter is designed for easy disassembly and reassembly. It can be easily carried when traveling. Just disassemble it and put it in the trunk, and it's easy to assemble when used. This mobility scooter is compact and easy to transport. It is designed for travel, making it convenient for users to take it wherever they go. It offers both performance and portability. What we like. This scooter is designed with safety in mind, featuring headlights and brake lights for nighttime visibility. It's also easy to operate with a simple control panel and disassembles for easy transport. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use scooter, this one is a great option. What people say. We can disassemble this scooter and lift the main body into my SUV. My husband can ride it around the store easily. It holds a charge for a long time. Number 1. iLiving i3 Foldable Electric Scooter. Introducing the iLiving i3, an ultra-lightweight electric scooter. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it weighs only 53 pounds with the battery. This makes it easy to maneuver and transport. Designed for convenience, this scooter features a quick 3-step folding system. It's compact and transportable, perfect for travel and storage. You can easily take it with you wherever you go. The iLiving i3 has a long-lasting battery that can travel up to 14 miles on a single charge. With the option of a second battery, you'll have even more range for your adventures. It keeps up with your active lifestyle. The lightweight and foldable frame makes the iLiving i3 ideal for air travel. It's a safe and convenient choice for your journeys. You can bring it with you on your next flight. The iLiving i3 is designed with safety in mind, featuring 4 wheels to prevent tip-overs. It's UL 2272 certified, ensuring its safety and reliability. This provides you with a stable and secure ride. What we like? This scooter is incredibly lightweight and features a quick and easy folding system, making it perfect for those who need a truly portable option. It also offers an extended battery life, so you can travel further on a single charge. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-manage scooter, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They fold up easily for storage and travel. We pulled the scooters out and used the USB ports to keep our phones charged and to run a battery-powered fan. It's also easy to fold and unfold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.